P0300 means your car's computer has detected that one or more cylinders are misfiring at random times. A misfire happens when the air and fuel in a cylinder don't burn properly, causing shaking, rough idling, and loss of power. The ECM tracks crankshaft speed changes to spot these misfires. Symptoms: rough or shaky idle. Check engine light flashing. Hesitation or loss of power. Poor fuel mileage. Possible fuel smell from exhaust. Possible causes: worn or fouled spark plugs, bad ignition coils or plug wires, dirty or leaking fuel injectors, weak fuel pump or low fuel pressure, vacuum leak. Solutions: start with spark plugs and ignition coils. Test fuel pressure and inspect injectors. Check for vacuum leaks or low compression. Clear the code and test drive to confirm.